This is the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus, which is one of the best robot vacuum and mop combinations you can find. With a 4-stage cleaning system, sophisticated navigation technology, and voice control, it's easy to see why it's so highly rated. But after trying it out for a while now, there are definitely some things I wish I knew before buying. So I'm going to tell you everything you'll need to know about the iRobot Roomba J5 Plus and how it compares to other popular 2-in-1. So what's in the box? The Combo J5 Plus unit, a self-emptying base and charging dock, interchangeable bins, high-efficiency filter, extra edge cleaning brush, mop pad, disposable bag, and line cord. Using the iRobot Roomba Combo J5 Plus is as simple as pressing a button. Literally. Place the charging dock in a convenient spot and let the Roomba charge. From there, download the iRobot Home app, where users can schedule cleaning sessions, set virtual boundaries, and even monitor the Roomba's progress from anywhere. The Combo J5 Plus can be set up to do virtually its whole job, all while the user barely lifts a finger. The device employs its powerful 4-stage cleaning system, which includes the edge sweeping brush, dual multi-surface rollers, powerful suction, and hard surface mopping. I found that the Roomba Combo J5 Plus could deal with dirt, dust, and debris with ease, no matter where it was hiding. The edge sweeping brush will get into hard-to-reach corners, and the unique rubber roller brushes flex to adjust to different floor surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Its specialized microfiber mop pads make quick work of dirt and footprints. No matter the surface in your home, the Combo J5 Plus can get the job done. Simply switch out the bins, and the device goes from a vacuum to vacuum and mop. Whether I had it on hard or carpeted flooring, it didn't seem to have any problems. I was especially impressed by how well it handled pet hair, while being smart enough to avoid pet waste, preventing potentially messy problems. The Combo J5 Plus also comes equipped with its proprietary Dirt Detect technology, which allows it to identify messier areas and clean them more thoroughly. There are several Roomba devices on the market, but this bot comes packed with a few features that make it stand out from its family. The J5, as opposed to this guy, the J5 Plus, doesn't come with the auto-empty bin, a huge convenience addition and time saver. The inclusion of the bin means no emptying for 60 days. The i5 and i5 Plus models are also similar, but come without the front-mounted camera, so they can only navigate with floor tracking. Basically, the Combo J5 Plus is leading the Roomba pack. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus uses a combination of technology to make the most of its cleaning capabilities. Like the other iRobot J-series devices, it uses precision vision navigation to detect and avoid household obstacles. With its front-facing camera and LED, it will identify and avoid hazards. With its ability to navigate around furniture, avoid obstacles, and thoroughly map rooms, this intelligent vacuum was able to give every inch of floor the attention it needed. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus offers a range of customization, from setting up virtual boundaries to creating personalized cleaning schedules. Users have full control over how the Combo J5 Plus cleans. The app can schedule cleaning sessions, customize maps, integrate with smart homes, and establish keep-out zones or no-mop zones. It can even be activated with voice commands using a smart assistant. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus is an incredibly effective robot. It can easily swap between vacuum and mopping. Its AI can adapt and improve, and it cleans up after itself. Its mapping technology, front-facing camera, and patented Dirt Detect technology let it hone in on desired areas while avoiding others, like pet waste. And that brainpower is backed by some impressive cleaning hardware. Its edge-sweeping brush, dual multi-surface rollers, and specialized microfiber mop pads. There's a lot this robot can handle, including dirt, dust, caked-on mess, and pet hair. The Roomba Combo J5 Plus is a smart, adaptive robot with some powerful cleaning features in both its mop and vacuum, and I think a lot of people will really enjoy it. Well, that's all for this video. Till next time, I'll see you guys later.